is up, you guys? It is Parker here with DecoExchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
So I thought we would do to the dog paws.
Oh, cute.
And the dog paws are pretty simple because all we have to do is like make a little bow
Okay.
and add some florals.
Okay. I think your version are pretty simple and my version pretty simple are probably pretty different.
All right, so look, they're gonna hang on the door like this.
Okay.
So we're gonna decorate this part.
Like mirrored?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, so you need 28 of that one.
Okay.
And 28 of this one. Y'all, so we're just cutting our ribbon into 28-inch strips. All right, so we're doing 4 strips at 28 inches. So we're gonna take our first dog ribbon. All right, so we're gonna measure about 6 inches.
Okay.
And you're just gonna pinch that.
Okay.
Then you're gonna measure about 12 inches and pinch that. And then just fold it over. And then the long side, just twist it so that it's facing the front.
So like double twist. Got it.
No. Yeah.
There we go.
Make this face you. And then have the dog ribbon. Make sure you can see the bones on both sides.
Okay.
Okay. Now at this point, you can stick it in there if you need to hold it, or you can hold it in your hand. Because you have to do the next one now.
YOLO. Let's try it.
Okay. Same thing, you're gonna measure 6 inches.
Does this one have an ugly side and a good side?
Nope. Measure 12. Fold it over. Y'all, she's like, this is a bad idea. Shouldn't have held it. Shouldn't have held it.
Pause. Okay. Try that again. So I don't have to twist it? Or should I twist it anyway?
You don't have to twist it 'cause it's
Okay.
the same on both sides. All right. Now put this one opposite direction in there. Yep. Yep. All right. Then grab your next one. Measure your 6 inches.
I should have moved it to like the back of my hand. I'll try these other two again, see if I can do it.
All right. Y'all, we're going to measure this. Same. 6. Yep. Now on this one, I'm going to make that loop a little bit smaller.
Smaller than the 12?
Yeah.
Like what, 10? 8.
Mine's about 8.
And it goes opposite of the...
Yeah. How did it back end up in there anyway?
Well, I gotta grab it all out, right?
Oh. All right. Need a pipe cleaner. Fold it in half. Everyone is rooting for you.
Gosh,
all 1,200 people.
I'm right-handed.
All right. Take your pipe cleaner. Just put it right around the center. All right. Try to squeeze yours a little bit tighter in the center. Yeah. All right. Now pull down as tight as you can. Yep. Now what I like to do is take my hand and put it underneath the bow and then push your ribbons away from you. So like, see how tight that is?
Yeah.
And then twist your ribbons. Yeah, like that.
Now flip it?
Yeah, fluff it out. All right, so the reason that we made this bow like this, y'all, is because it needs to be really small because our door hanger isn't that big. So we just made a much smaller version. To add right down here. So that way it doesn't cover the dog paw. Okay. So we're going to put it like about on the outside toe inside of you.
Okay. And your dog bow is inside. So I put mine inside, or do you want me to put mine?
It doesn't matter. And all of our wreaths are for sale on our Etsy store. It's DecoExchange.etsy.com. So I think because of the size, we could probably just use one set of each. So now we're just going to fluff these out. Y'all, this is just a simple little flower. It has 3 stems. Okay, now we're gonna work our flowers in there like in a triangle pattern. So we're just gonna take these little stems and we're gonna work them around our base. I'm gonna so I put mine like down here through it.
Okay.
Marissa is not a wreath maker, but I would still consider her crafty.
This is the first wreath I've ever made.
What the heck?
Yeah.
Rude.
I've done bows since you taught me.
Yeah, so I'm gonna do my 2 white this way and then my single one coming this way.
So should I do the opposite? My 2 blues and then my 1 white?
So where all of these went through, I made all of mine cross. That way I can take one zip tie and work it right through here. And zip tie all of these little stems right in place. You can add more than one zip tie if you need to. Yeah, so I ran all of my stems through here and then I just zip tied right over it. Then the other thing that I like to do if I know I have stems coming out the back, I'll just take my hot glue gun and just kind of put a little bit of glue on those stems. That way if they do end up rubbing the door, it's the...
That's so smart. I didn't even think about
It's like a little buffer.
Crushing the door.
Now we can just dovetail our little ribbons. Okay. All right, how'd she do?
I'm trying to look in the video.
They look awesome. They look good.